This is transition from functional progression 3 to 4 in bear position. Our objective is posterior chain activation. Start position is tabletop with hands directly under shoulders, knees slightly wider than hip width, knees wider than toes, and neutral spine. For the movement, find and maintain breath and intra-abdominal pressure, tuck toes under, and pull the pelvis up and slightly back towards the ceiling. Destination is pelvis higher than shoulders, maintaining active bend in elbows and knees with a neutral spine.